Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we're going to learn how to customize the new record button under your Record Lookup. If you do not have a customized form, you can see that if you go to Record Lookup and then New Record, you are just entering the 4 core fields. So that's a good start, but then you probably need to click all over the record to add additional information. So instead, we're going to click on Customize View to the right of the New Record button. Click on Edit Shared Views, and then on Edit Lookup. This will allow you to select any person-scoped form from your database. Now, when we breadcrumb back, we can see the new form in action. I like to add an interaction section to the customized internal form so that we can see how the student first entered the instance. A customized new record form can be added to all of your datasets, so it is a very flexible and useful tool for your whole instance. The Parish Group is a Slate Gold partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.